The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals is a universal framework designed to address pressing global challenges related to human development, environmental stability, and planetary health. SDG 15, Life on Land, emphasises the conservation, restoration, and sustainable management of terrestrial ecosystems, recognising their critical role in supporting biodiversity, mitigating climate change, and sustaining human livelihoods. Within this, we chose Target 15.3, which is by 2030 combat desertification, restore degraded land and soil, including land affected by desertification, drought, and floods, and strive to achieve a land degradation neutral world. Land degradation directly undermines food security and contributes to biodiversity loss, making it both an ecological and socio-economic challenge. The concept of land degradation neutrality seeks to balance degradation with restoration, ensuring that the quantity and quality of land resources are maintained or enhanced. We will examine the drivers and impacts of land degradation, evaluate restoration strategies, and consider pathways towards achieving Target 15.3.
Molecular biology is closely linked to UN SDG 15.3, aiming to restore degraded land and combat desertification. By studying plant genetics, scientists can develop crops that tolerate drought and poor soils. Molecular analysis allows us to gain insight into soil microbes, which are vital for bioremediation within damaged soils. Finally, base sequence analysis using genome sequencing technologies helps us spot issues within soil microbes, acting as early warning systems for soil degradation. Links to BIOL103's lecture content, shown through an understanding of the function and structure at a cellular level within organisms, can then be applied to various techniques within lab content this semester, such as gel electrophoresis, DNA extraction, and protein assays, just to name a few.
The main aim in the SDG 15 is to protect and maintain the natural environment surrounding us. Overall, SDG 15's performance in relation to its targets and progress is lower compared to other SDGs. This is mainly driven by urban development with an increase in CO2 emissions, contributing to an increase in climate change. CO2 can alter soil properties, which then influence soil erosion, therefore leading to land degradation. An increase in climate change can also lead to events such as droughts or floods, ultimately leading to desertification of the land. Between 2015 and 2019, the world lost at least 100 million hectares of healthy and productive land every year, due to climate change being the main influence on land degradation. However, over the years we've become more aware of the damage CO2 emissions are creating, therefore CO2 emissions have begun to decrease. People are becoming more energy efficient and aware, leading to a better progress towards the 2030 target to decrease land degradation. Things that we can do to help reach this goal include recycling, composting food wastage, reducing our carbon footprint, and reducing the use of printing paper.
The United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification Agreement promotes sustainable land management through drought mitigation. Biotechnology creates biocrust and improves soil carbon, vital for improving soil health, maintaining structural and functional integrity. The UNCCD uses microbes, soil enzyme activities, and carbon secretion to develop sustainable land management, enhancing the goal of having land degradation neutrality. Composting uses genomic and genetic tools to understand decomposing matter. Genomics is how researchers use DNA identifying bacteria and abundance in compost. DNA and RNA in microbes involved in the nutrient cycle provides further information on efficiency and compost quality. Scientists use organic matter breakdowns to understand how compost molecular composition in microbial DNA changes over time and influences the soil fertility and structure. The Great Green Wall of China project started in 1978 using microbiology to improve plant survival with soil microbes and nutrient cycling. Due to aeolian desertification salination, they implemented the project as it impacted 27.4% of the land. The continuous research on ecosystem stability enables the project to continue until 2050, becoming the largest tree planting project of 88 million acres of forest walls combating desertification.
In order to reach Goal 15, we need to be able to monitor our land and identify areas of risk in relation to land degradation and desertification. As technology continues to improve, we can use advanced drone technology and satellite images to monitor the state of the land and identify any risk areas. Education for future generations is also vital in order for them to become aware of ways to protect and maintain our land in order to continue life on Earth.
By integrating molecular biology with conservation strategies, we can restore degraded ecosystems, combat desertification, and progress towards a land degradation neutral world by 2030, ensuring resilience for both biodiversity and human well-being.